Boys and girls, today we're going to do a little review of some facts at the top of your fact sheet for lesson 134. And then we'll get into our lesson, more fact families. So let's take a look at these and see if you notice a pattern. So we have 9 minus 3, minus 4, 9 minus 5, and 9 minus 6. What do you notice with this? Only a difference of 1 here. So it looks like there's a pattern. It's a difference of 1 for each one of these. So if we get 1, we are going to get the others, right? So let's see, 9 minus 3. 9 take away 3 is 6, right? Minus 4. Oh, I see another pattern. This looks like it's part of the same fact family. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 9 minus 5 would be 4. I noticed something else. I noticed that there is 9 minus 3 equals 6 and 9 minus 6 equals something. I think that answer is 3. Not only was it a difference of 1, but we see that 9 minus 4 equals 5 and 9 minus 5 equals 4 is in the same fact family. And 9 minus 3 equals 6 and 9 minus 6 equals 3 is in the same fact family. We know from lesson 132 that subtracting facts and 2 addition facts, except for when we have subtracting doubles, which we have subtracting double, 1, and then an adding double, 1. Fact for each of these. So now you're going to go through and see which problems that you know how to do right away on your fact sheet. And then come back here after you finish your fact sheet. If you need help, you can use cubes, you can use your fingers, you can count backwards and do all the ones, the friends of 10, that will help you. So great job, boys and girls. Now we are going to go on to some new fact families. We are going to be learning how to write addition and subtraction facts for fact families. And we're going to be focusing on 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 5. So let's take a look. We're going to get right into it today. We're going to take a look at know. Now, we've done these ones before, but you may not have done it as a whole fact family. So let's take a look. We need 2 adding problems and 2 subtracting problems. Let's start with adding. 3 plus 5 know that, then we can just switch them around. 5 plus 3 equals 8. How can we check our problem to make sure it's right? Instead of adding, it's subtracting when we go from the answer. Now we're going to make 2 subtracting problems. We always start with the bigger number. We know there's 2. Your cubes, 8. Take away 3 cubes is 5. So we know that 8 plus 8 minus 3 is 5. What is 8 minus 5? family, this is a fact family for the numbers 3, 5, and 8. All right, let's go into another one. Actually, before we do that, I want you to take out a piece of paper. Because this way we do 4 of them, and then we could do the next 4 with the next set of problems. You're going to take a piece of paper, copy paper is fine, and you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to fold it in half again. When we're done, you will have 8 squares. See that? And what I did on my 8 squares is I wrote the facts down. 8 minus 5 is 3, and I'm putting the answer on the back so they can be used as flashcards. 5 plus 3 is 8, and I'm just going to copy it down just like we just did. So take a moment to do that. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So make sure you get all 4 of those. And then set it to the side because we're going to put another fact family on there. And then we'll cut them out and we'll practice. All right? You can pause the video if you need longer. Next fact family, we'll be using the numbers 3, 4, why don't we start with our subtracting facts today? For this one, 7 and 7. We have 2 subtracting facts, right? 7 minus 3. I'm going to start with that one. What does that equal? Remember, with the fact family, we use those same numbers. So if I use 7 and a 3, what's my other number? 4. Great job. I could also use my finger. 7. Take away 3 is 4. Good job. Or my cubes. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Ooh, now we know we need 2 addition facts. So I'll put my facts, my addition signs. Now let's start with 3 plus 4. What does 3 plus 4 equal? What's the number that we get? 7. Great. And then 4 plus 3 is? What is it? Right. 7 is your answer. On your whiteboard. And now we know the fact family. We are going to make sure that we write it on the other part of our fact cards. So 7 minus 3, and you put the answer on the back, it's going to be 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 3 plus 4, and 4 plus 3 equals 7. Right, write those on there. Then you are going to cut them out and put them with the other facts cards you made. So all right, so let's take a look. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. 8. Count 3 backwards. 7, 6, 5. Is it 5? It's right. It is 5. Good. So that's how you can do it. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 4? 3. You're right. 7 minus 3? 4 plus 3? 7. Awesome. 3 plus 5? 8. Great job. 3 plus 4? 7. Awesome. 5 plus 3? If you answered 8, you are right. Great job, boys and girls. So keep practicing these and you'll start to remember them quicker. All right, now let's take a look at your guided practice worksheet. And I'm going to kind of go through some of these with you so that if you have, if you'd like to do that along with me, you can. All right. So let's take a look. You're going to draw a 2-inch line segment from the dot, which we've practiced so many times. And then I want you to make 14 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so that's 14. Now our number is 121, so I'm going to make a box. Two, 1, just like that, okay? And how many, which number is in the tens place? 2, right, so you'll write 2 on the line, 2 tens, 1 100 and 1. All right, and next, it's a story problem. So I'll draw my box. There are 9 girls and 8 boys in room 4. 6 girls went to the library. How many girls are in room 4 now? What information do we not need? We don't need to know that there are 8 boys. We're focusing on how many girls. Is it going to be some more, or some take away? Good. Girls. Better than I can. Take away 6 of the girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our problem is 9. Take 6 equals 1, 2, 3. 3 girls. Good job, boys and girls. You can pause the video and you get that drawn and written. Continue. All right, for the next one, we are counting groups of 100. So the group of 100 is the big block. It has 100 pennies. So every time we count the big block, we're counting by 100s. We know there's 300 pennies in the hundreds blocks. Then we have, how many 10 frames do we have? Good. Look like, if we were doing place value, 300 pennies. This is a great way to write it. 2 tens, and how many ones? 4. Good job. 4 pennies. So we have 324 pennies. That's how we read it, 324. For number 4, we are talking about money again. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that we know what coins we're using. We are using 2 quarters and 1 dime. So 2 quarters, let me think, 25, 50, 50 plus 10 is, 10 more than 50 is 60. So 60 cents. Awesome. Keep practicing with adding money at home because that will come up on one of your tests very soon. All right. Number 5, I want you to do number 5 on your own because that's a fact family, and if you need to remember how to do the 4, 5, and 9 fact family, go back to lesson 32 to 132 to review it. All right, and then we have 62 minus 10. Next one, 75 minus 10. Oh, that's easy. right? Excellent, you got it. 65. And the last one I want to go over with you is 3 numbers. 8 plus 4 plus 6. So we're going to add 2 numbers at a time. So we know that 8 and 4 is 12. And then 12 plus 6 is, let's see, 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 is 1. So our final answer is 18. Awesome job today, boys and girls. Make sure you continue working on your fact families. You'll see it in the packets. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher. Thank you.